August 9, 2008.
Crawford.
Hey, what are you guys doing? It's okay, just let it stay there.
Come on, guys. Go.
We were escorted out by the police.
Make sure you get us in the picture. If you come back on property and you attempt to hand these out again, you will be arrested for trespassing. You are not welcome here. You understand? All right? We've got local PD. We've got local deputies. Do not come back on the property.
I got one. I got one.
Okay, right there.